Mordiford Dragon Trail. This one, a young girl named Maud was out picking berries one day when she heard that what sounded like a cat's meow. She stumbled across the dragon fearlessly. Maud scooped up the wide-eyed dragon, who gracefully cuddled into her arms. Maud gave it a milk and fish from the river lug, and they played hide and seek again. And they played hide and seek together. That's nice. This is Mordiford Bridge in Hereford. It's nice. Nice black and white house. Post office and stores. Ooh, hail bale. It's a different shape this time. It's square. It's a barn.
That's where we're going.
I don't know. Westwood?
Here. That's Westwood. Haugh Woods is the one behind.
The one behind. So that is Westwood, and the one behind is the Haugh Wood. So we are going to climb the Westwood. This is the beginning of the long journey. How many hours walk is this, Daddy? How many hours walk? 1 hour and a half. Back in the road. This is the road going to Found Hope. So the entrance to the woods is near this house here by the road. And that's it. It's an hour and a half walk. It depends on how fast you walk and how high or how steep this is. Ooh, steep. Some are very dry already. Look at these trees.
We're going to join there.
Yeah. They love each other. Strange trees, this. They're like they're hugging each other here. Kissing.
Got some faces on there.
Nobody's here, only us. What was that? There's no lion here. Or a fox. It's a workout. Sweating already. It's very steep. Going up now. Look. Very steep, isn't it? So I'm using this stick here I found it down below. I'm using it to help me up.
Nice workout.
This. Oop. Oh no,
Just a deer.
it's run away. He saw a deer and I was kind of scared to take a photo.
It's rare.
Oh, is that? Okay. Let's find him. We don't normally see deers, but in the woods, they're here. Before they run away, you have to take a photo. Where are you, deer? Is that him there? No. It's gone so quickly. Oh, foxglove. It's nice flower. Ooh. Nettles. Ouch. It got me. The nettles got me. Can we go here? In the ships? Please skip to right of way. Thank you. It's a nice view from here. Very pretty. What are these? Are these brambles?
Yeah.
Nice. Spiky.
Blackberries, I think.
Blackberries. Okay, follow the footpath. Going to Bridle Way. Beautiful house. I think that. So which way now?
What do you think?
That way?
That's it. Halfway now. No more woods.
No more woods.
You can see where we are.
Beautiful house. Yeah.
My valley walk. There's the sunset.
Mhm. Eventually, the villagers hired a creative, mysterious, and daring man called Garston, who was expert at dealing with dragon problems. He hid in a barrel by a stream where the dragon was known to drink. After days of waiting, the dragon landed to quench its thirst. Garston launched out of the barrel, and the dragon was never seen by the villagers again. Garston never revealed what happened. It's a village folklore here. It's about Garston who got rid of the dragon in this village. Well done, Garston. Another uprooted tree. This is one of the public footpath sign that we are following through this trail here in Mordiford. Another dragon. Oh, this is the dragon. Dragon's having a drink. That's the dragon that Garston has got rid of in this village. So, as the dragon grew, so did Maud's love for her friend. During the days, it would play in the woods and drink and splash in local rivers. As it got bigger, so did its appetite. Its claws and teeth had grown, and it had started to hunt local chickens and sheep. The locals began to notice. I think that's why Garston was on the job. And some caravans over there. It belongs to the pub, I think. Cemetery there. The Moon Pub in Mordiford. So we have a drink there. Ah, it's an old water wheel here. Old water wheel. Okay. Some woods. There's nice roses there. Yeah, it's lovely walk. Hello. It's pretty village. Hereford B4224. And this is Mordiford Little Green Hut. Local information. Study there. I hope you enjoyed our walk. Well, there's a pub here. It's called Moon Inn. Is it the Moon Inn? Moon Inn. There. So you can have a drink in that pub if you get tired of walking. And tractor, very nice, lovely. It was an hour and a half walk. And this is where we started earlier. This is Holyrood Church here in Mordiford. And he's there.